So in this video, I'll show you two ways on how to withdraw money from Worldcoin app. So the first method is after you open up the Worldcoin app, the first method, tap on the wallet. After you tap on the wallet, the first method, as you can see now, like this one under this cash. So let's say you have USD, you want to send the USD to someone. So and the person is using like Worldcoin app. All you have to do is just tap on this USD like this now. Just tap on the USD. So from this option now, tap on this send button. After you tap on the send button, now all you have to do now, enter the username of the person that you want to send him the USD. After you enter the username of the person from this option, the person will be available for you. From there, you can specify the amount after you enter his username in this option now. Let's say it's this person. After I enter his username like this one, so I'll just specify the amount and tap on send button. From there, the USD will be sent to this person. So the second method to send money from Worldcoin app, all you have to do after you open up the Worldcoin app like this, go to this wallet. After you come to this wallet, the second method, tap on this three dot. So go to withdraw. So from this option now, you'll be able to find all the amount of currency that you have. As you can see now, either it is BTC or USD. Just select the pairs you want to withdraw. So let's say I want to withdraw USD. I'll tap on this USD. After you tap on the USD, from there it will ask you to input the receiver account details. After you input the receiver account details, from there you can tap on withdraw. From there the money will be sent to the person. And that's it guys on how to withdraw money from Worldcoin app. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe and share.